Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PayPal for insurance premium payments with confirmation, full guide step by step clearly. To activate PayPal for insurance premium payments, start by opening your web browser. Visit the official PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your credentials. If you do not have a PayPal account, create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. Look for the option to link a bank account or credit card. Follow the prompts to add your preferred payment method. Ensure that your bank account or card is verified. Once your payment method is linked, go to the website of your insurance provider. Log into your insurance account or create one if necessary. Locate the payment options section of your account. Select PayPal as your preferred payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal credentials to continue with the transaction. After logging in, review the payment details for accuracy. Confirm the transaction to complete your payment process. You should receive a confirmation email from PayPal regarding the transaction. Additionally, check your insurance provider's website for confirmation of the premium payment. If all steps are completed successfully, your PayPal is now activated for insurance premium payments. Keep this guide handy for future reference or repeat transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.